Creating a plan on how to manage your money is the greatest way to save money for the future. Not only it is beneficial, but it is smart. Some people know how to budget and some people don't. If you are one of those people who do not know how to budget, in this video, I will teach you how to budget the best way you can this year. But before we pierce right through the gist, I would just like to give you a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, so better take all my advice with a pinch of salt and take only what can be applied to you. I do my very best in telling you the latest information in terms of financial management. But if you are experiencing serious problems, that is the time to seek out services by professionals and experts to help you out with what you are facing. Welcome to the Quantum Wealth, where the road to success begins. Before starting with the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and comment below your thoughts for today's video. Now here are how to budget your money the best way you can in 2022. Let's begin. Starting with doing a monthly budget review. With this, you get to keep track of your progress, therefore leading to awareness of the changes in your financial responsibilities. Your income can change from time to time. Perhaps you are making a little more money from your part-time video editing job a few months ago. By checking on your finances, you have full control over how to spend your money wisely. On to the next one, explore various ways on how to budget. There are a lot of ways to budget, from daily check-in of your money to determine how much money is spent in a day. Budgeting apps that require a small amount of effort as everything is laid out. The 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to things you must need to spend on, such as food or rent. 30% goes to things you want to buy, such as new shoes or a new phone. And 20% goes to savings. Simply choose what works best for you. If you don't know any of these, try to learn each one of them. Then you can decide for yourself which one best fits you. Fourth, ask yourself what's the reason why you are budgeting. Begin by determining what drove you to make a budget. Do you want to save up for a business? Do you have debts that you need to be paid next week? Or simply just saving up for the future? Handling money could go either way. Changes happen and situations could determine how you are going to spend your money. With the right motivation, discipline is manifested, thus making a responsible decision with your finances. Now, before we delve deep into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, leave a comment down below and tell me what skill you need to develop so far. There's still more to this video, so stay tuned as now we head on to number 3. Determine your wants and needs. Wants are the things that you desire, while needs are necessary. Allow yourself to fully understand the difference between wants and needs. Give importance to important things such as food, rent, the electric bill, or etc. Paying your debt or saving for the future are also things that are needed to be focused on. Budgeting revolves around the idea of differentiating wants and needs. A good start to managing what you want and need is by following the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt, as said before. Next on the list, expect the unexpected. We can never know what's going to happen. There might be events that could potentially compromise your finances. But worry no more, as there are ways where you can avoid such things to happen. Maintaining payments to an emergency fund and keeping a substantial amount of money every month would be advantageous for you. Hospital bills or car repairs can be really expensive. Having an emergency fund can create a financial buffer that will help you in times of need. Now at number 1 is the word budget. Budget comes with a negative connotation. A lot of people might feel constrained by this word because it restricts them from whatever it is that they want to spend their money on, especially unnecessary things such as new clothes, new phones, or etc. They simply want freedom in their finances. We cannot blame them for how they are feeling. That's their money after all. It comes from their hard work and maybe they deserve it. Little did they know, budgeting is merely a tool that enables you to control of your money and match your habits with your goals and ambitions. With budgeting, you can never go wrong. Checking on your finances wisely will lead you to greater heights. Being responsible is one thing that you could do to reach the success that you want. The future is all in your hands. That wraps up today's video for how to budget your money the best way you can in 2022. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you like today's video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you at the next one.